Hi, Dr. Dolly. I've been a long-time listener. I think you're the absolute grooviest. I wanted your opinion regarding my written financial plan. I listened to the recent podcast regarding the question with 100% stock portfolio when you have a long investment horizon. I've become very debt averse as I've gotten older and have chosen to do 100% stock with my investment. But for the portion which theoretically would be in a fixed asset allocation, have instead used that to make extra payments on debt with my mortgage and student loans. I figure that this is a known return. Do you think this is a reasonable plan? Thanks again for all you do.
Thanks, Anna, for that great question. That is a great plan. That's a very reasonable plan. If you can tolerate the fluctuations of your equities such that you don't sell low and square off stocks forever, then this plan is fine. Because remember what debt is. It's a negative bond. On your balance sheet, it's exactly the same thing if you pay down debt versus you invest in bonds. In fact, for a lot of people, because they have such high interest debt, you might have student loans at 6.8% or 8% or higher, maybe credit cards at 15%, who knows, right? That's exactly the same as getting a 15% guaranteed return or an 8% or a 6.8% guaranteed return. And obviously you can't get that out of bonds these days. You go buy high quality bonds, treasuries or corporates or municipal bonds or whatever, you'll be doing well to make 2 or 3% as far as that goes. And so, yeah, this is a great plan, especially if you have high interest debt. In fact, if that interest is high enough, you may even want to pay that off before you even invest in equities. But yeah, that's a reasonable thing to do. At a certain point, Anna, though, you're debt averse. You're going to have all this debt paid off, may even have your mortgage paid off. And at that point, you got to ask yourself, do I still want to be 100% stocks? And you may want to start adding bonds at that point to the portfolio. If you want your questions answered by the White Coat Investor, record your question at whitecoatinvestor.com/YQA or click the link in the description.